Welcome to NovoTempus. In today's overview video, we are going to be going over our contacts feature. If you look at our left side panel, you're going to find the contacts right here. Under contacts, you're going to be prompted to view all, only view your leads, and only view your clients. Under view all, you can simply view all of your clients by flipping through the pages, or you can apply a filter. We can search directly for a specific contact by typing in their name and having all their contacts come up, for example. We can clear in here. We can also filter by lead source, contact type, and any tags, or we can change the sorting. Now I'm going to show you guys how to add a new contact. Now there's many ways to add contacts. You can first do a quick intake and add a new person. Or if we come to the contacts page, we can directly add a new contact from here. We have to fill in all the information. It'll show you any duplicates that are available. Add the email address, the email types, any information you can gather from them. Select the contact type, so who they are to you, perhaps this is a new client. And the lead source, which is how they came to you. For example, this one came through LinkedIn. And any interesting tags that you have to write about them. You can select if they were ever previously arrested, when the incident date was, or if they have any children, if this was a divorce case, and simply press submit. Your new contacts should directly be on top of your list. Now let's go directly to a contact. Under a contact, you're going to find the contact details, an email, phone number, and if the matter is added to them, then that would be found in the bottom. As your clients come, they might bring you more information. So if you'd like to edit any of the contact details, simply click the edit button up here. We can edit from here, or we can edit contact here. If you gathered more information, like for example any tags, you can add email address, we can add any phone numbers, addresses, companies, or we can edit the custom fields again. Let's go ahead and write that they do have children. So now you can find any of your new information here. You can see the emails here, the fact that they had children. Now let me go ahead and show you guys how we add tasks. So if you had to add a task like we can assign it to a user and select a due date for the task. This one's going to be due next Friday at 12 p.m. We can also select to add reminder emails for the task is due. For example, we want to remind 1 day before the task is due to the user. Go ahead and add the task. And now under your timeline, you're going to be able to find the task here. You can edit any tasks or delete them directly from the options. Once a task is complete, simply check it off here. Now let's go ahead and add a note. We can add any notes and always find them under the notes section here. If you ever have any client meetings, you need any witness statements, you can directly add the notes here and always find them here. For any note, we can edit the note or delete it. We can also send emails directly from our contacts. You can choose any templates, like for example, maybe request deposition dates. You can CC any contacts or users and edit the email here. For example, we could do we can add in the attachments and send the email directly from here. All your emails will be displayed under the timeline. You can show the body or hide the body. Now let's return to the contacts. And last, if you need to get all of your contacts exported to have them offline, we can directly export all contacts to CSV here. This is going to be found under View All, Leads, or Clients. We can choose to export all contacts, and it will automatically send the email to the verified user. You can send the CSV to this email, or you can download. If we send the CSV, it'll directly send it to the email. And if we were to download the CSV, it'll directly download the file. Okay guys, that's it for contacts. Thank you for watching.